Okay, so the first stage of the installation is to take the template that's provided in the packaging. The template actually has some foam on there, and this foam hooks on to the pull cord. So just like that. And then you mark where you want the actual back plate of the blind engine to go. So depending on what side you're on, you could have it on the left or the right. So you'd mark accordingly, and the holes on the actual back plate line up to the holes just there. So in this instance, I'm going to go for the ones on the left, and I'm going to keep it quite close here. So I'll mark there and there. Okay, so next I'm going to screw on the back plate for the blind motor. Okay, so the next stage is to take the blind motor, turn it around. There's a flap here at the back. If I take that off, it reveals a cog. So the package itself comes with 2 additional cogs. So in my situation, the cog that's currently in there is suitable for the pull cord here. So if I put that round and I put this back on, so the way it goes, there's a slight notch on there, and then that slots on. And then if we take the cover, place the cover back on, I can take the power cable as well, put that in there, and just to highlight, there's a slider switch there, and that's dependent on which direction you want the motor to run in. Now to slot this in, there's some gaps here, and there's an area there it can just slot onto, and I'll place it in position and pull it down, and there you go. Now it's securely fitted. Okay, so the blind motor itself can be pushed down further or pulled up. Obviously you've got to press the release to adjust it accordingly to give that extra tension on there. Okay, so next we need to set the trip setting. So this is the maximum at the top and the minimum at the bottom. So if we take the blind up to the complete open position, and then once it's in that position, just click the stop button. There you go. Now it's there. I go back to the blind motor and we just hold on to the stop button for about 5 seconds until it starts blinking red. Now if we come down, we lower it to the lowest position and then hit stop. There you go. Okay, so to test it's worked, we can just now open it and let's just see if it stops by itself. There you go. And now if I come back down, click the lower button,